Hey guys, so what we got here is the second Canarm P-36 spinner ceiling fan that I got off Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So here's low speed. The low speed on this one is much like the other one. Yep, goes as fast as the other one. The low speed. Yep, has a good low speed. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit of a breeze from it. All right, so here's medium. Again, I do hear some bearing noise. It also does wobble on medium. This one also wobbles on medium. You can hear a bit of that clicking noise again. That's coming from the ball socket hitting the lower part of the canopy. Yeah, hitting the bottom of the canopy. I can feel a good breeze from it on medium. Doesn't hum though, but I do hear some bearing noise. All right, so here's high speed. This one actually wobbles a lot more on high. The down rod even shakes as well. If you can't tell on camera. Like it looks like it's gonna fall. Oh my god, it does really look like it's gonna fall. But yeah, you can hear that noise. Blows a lot of air, just like the other one. Yeah, like the motor's shaking and the down rod is as well. All right, let's do spin down and then reverse. So, I don't think this is something I said in the other video, but the Canarm P-36, the motor looks like a CEC Georgian, except the switch housing is different. It's larger and it's straight. Hobby Central thought his was a CEC Georgian, but then Jean told him that it's actually a Canarm, and it's called the Canarm P-36. And it's dated, yeah, these fans are dated July 1991. They both say on the sticker, on the stickers on both of these say 0791, July 1991. So, yeah. All right, time for reverse. Here's high. Don't really like to keep it on high for long because I'm afraid it's going to fall. Oh yeah, and also this fan's on a long down rod. I mentioned that the other one in the other video. The pull chain's shaking a lot. Oh, and also I didn't mention the reverse pull chain is missing the pendant on this one. So yeah, and also the pull chains are not mixed up. The speed does the speed, the reverse does the reverse. The chains aren't mixed up. All right. Here's medium. On medium, it's the clicking doesn't make the clicking sound's not really loud on medium. At least not on reverse. I don't think it was loud on forward either. But yeah, I'm not noticing the clicking sound anymore. But yeah, can still hear the bearing noise. Here's low. Whoops. Wobbles a lot on low. Don't know if you can tell on camera. Yeah, it looks like you can tell on camera. All right, now off. All right, so that is it for these two Canarm P-36 spinner ceiling fans. So yeah, the next fans I'll be testing are these two fans that are on the ground. SMC ceiling fan with a Saturn copy light kit. The light kit is original to it. And Litex right here. I was told what the model was. Now I forget what it is. But yeah, white blades to the SMC and brown blades to the Litex. So these will be coming soon at some point. Won't be coming very soon. I just wanted to do these two Canarm P-36. So yeah, those two other fans, the SMC and Litex, will be coming soon. So yeah, anyways, I don't plan to keep both of these Canarm P-36. I don't plan to keep both of them. I want to only keep one of them. The other one, one of them I plan to give to another fan collector. So, yeah. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.